Yeah. Um, yeah. At the beginning of this charter, we continue, and working, and also seeing how important it is to use it. So, right, we have a Swift here. It is used for Mac, also iOS, and also iPad. There's only other way to use it, and it's have different areas where you can apply. Um, yeah, Swift has also different features that start like strokes, protocols, closure, etc. In the 2014, we see the Swift UI start and was introduced in WWDC in June 2014. At this point, Swift was properly language and also useful, and only also useful for platform. In the next years, in 2015, it start in the new versions 2, and I start to see a different functionality, and also became popular, in the community. And next, for the Swift 3, it was released in 2016, and received so many feedbacks and started these features. In Swift 4 and also Swift 5, it started to use a UI kit, and it started to many company to use it, and it was a great success to start to use it. Right now, some companies continue using UI kit, but they are start to do some migrations to Swift UI for many reasons, right? But it means that all that effort that those people made in that time, worth, right? It's great. It was a great effort that they made. So that's why we have a amazing application that we are using in Swift. Yeah, and that's the timeline for Swift. We are going to use for our playground, this apps is called Programmix Swift. Just to type in Google, you can Google it, and it you have here this page. It's like a console where you can type. This is the platform that we are going to use it. We can also use something that they have in Swift Playground. It is like um, Xcode tools that you can work with it, right? But in this course, we are be using that tools. I prefer this one for many reasons. It is like very quickly to start. And for me, it's more flexible to copy. If I have to do it, and yeah, and we are going at this code. We are going to write, run, and tingle, right? And it is to see how it's work, right? And also to do some debugs. It is easy and better to learn a Swift in Playground, and it's working with Playground. It means that you don't have to worry about to another teams, and also you just compile and test without any devices like simulators or any other teams. Swift Playground, the playground also let you to focus using code and not worry about another things that to that you need to create, and also remove all the distractions. And that's the reason that we are here. Remember, this course is just focused in Swift, right? No any UI yet, just um, Swift. Continue. We have playground. It is the first steps to learn. We also at the end of this call, we are going to use like iOS and Macs. More iOS using Swift with the simulator. Yeah, and yeah, there's only the other way that you can also browse. If you don't like to use programming in Swift console on web, I recommend you to follow the instruction by the books. So you can, if you have your books, a MacBook, you can just type playground and Swift playground, and also you can install, you can find in the App Store the Swift playground, and type your playground, and you will start to use it. Everything we do in Mac OS playground, get room, also in iPad. We have this playground, and very quickly resume what we were facing so far. We were writing requests, required tools, and multiple tools that we can call Chrome, and also to test, right? We also see the playground, so you can use and also run in iPad in all devices. You can also use Xcode as another tool, so you can do it. So yeah, let's see very quickly how playground works. It's just to create a one blank, right, and start to work in it. It's just to create a playground and then write, and then you can go out, like see the output. If you type the something here, like I made here, something like this, right? You can just type and run it, right? You can also create class, and other things, right? Class test, right? Yeah. Let's continue. In the basis building blocks, we are like taking a very slow, not fast. Seeing some features that we have like operators, variables, constants, a type, and also collections in workflow. Um, the tasks, I would like to give you some tasks that help you to learn better. That's why I choose the books, because it's so dynamic and also interesting to use it. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that you will love it. Right. And we have these tags. If you want, I can like give you and also recommend you to do some tags in the comments. You can share if you want any repository where you can um, give the answer, right, regarding it. Yeah, this is the yeah, we right now we are going to start to see a code, no, not talking, regarding anything, just talking about code, right? Here is a structure that, and also the how it looks, the Swift. We have Swift, right, with method. We have also function. We have also properties, class, etc. And here, what this is the way that we do. I also recommend you to learn regarding OP. OP is if you are new in languages, and also in computer science, I recommend you to learn regarding um, this OP. OP is super important, to the programmer and also to the developers, because it gives you some different way to see the things, like the how we see the word as a developer. We see the word with abstracts. We also see the words with inherence. We also see the words with encapsulations, in how it's worked, right? But this call is not focusing this just Swift, but I give you and also recommend you to use it. Let's see. We also, I can give you this, if you know a little bit regarding all the language, and you are thinking to migrate and move from